Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Xbox account. So let's get started right away. Now, since your Xbox account is linked to your Microsoft account, you will need to open up your web browser and go to the Xbox website. Type in xbox.com in the address bar and press enter, and you will be taken into the official Xbox website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials to log in. Once you are logged in, click on the same account icon and then click on My Microsoft Account. You will now be taken into your Microsoft account page. Within this page, you will see the Change Password button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password or your PIN code. After entering your current password, followed by your desired new password, enter this new password once again for confirmation. Then click on the Save button, and now your password will be changed on your Xbox account through your Microsoft account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.